If Gamma is giving you a rendering error, freezing while loading, or breaking when you try to export your deck, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the most common fixes step by step, so you can get Gamma working again quickly. These fixes are simple, safe, and they solve a lot of the web-based glitches people run into with layouts, images, and exports. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing I want you to check is hardware acceleration in your browser. This is one of the most common causes of rendering problems in apps like Gamma, because Gamma runs in the browser and depends on your system and browser graphics settings to display content properly. If hardware acceleration is acting up, it can cause blank elements, frozen previews, broken animations, or export issues. To fix that, open the browser you use for Gamma, whether that's Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Then go into your browser settings and search for hardware acceleration. In Chrome or Edge, you'll usually find a setting called Use Hardware Acceleration when available. If it's turned on, toggle it off. If it's already off and you're still having the issue, try turning it back on. The goal here is to test both states because different systems behave differently. After you change the setting, fully restart your browser. Don't just close the tab, close the browser completely and reopen it so the new graphics setting actually takes effect. Then go back to Gamma and check whether the rendering issue is gone. In many cases, that alone fixes the problem. If Gamma still isn't rendering properly, the next thing to look at is your media files. Large uncompressed images or heavy video files can overload the layout processor and make the deck lag, glitch, or fail to load correctly. This is especially true if you've pasted in very high-resolution images or embedded media that's bigger than it needs to be. So the next fix is to compress or swap media formats. If you have massive images in your deck, try compressing them before uploading them again. You can also replace them with lighter versions that are still high quality but easier for Gamma to process. If you're using videos, make sure they aren't unnecessarily large or in a format that creates extra strain. In some cases, simply replacing one heavy file with a smaller version is enough to make the whole presentation render normally. This step matters because Gamma is trying to display your content in a web-based layout, and heavy media can choke that process. So if the error started after adding a specific image, video, or a lot of custom content, that's a big clue. Remove the most recent large file first, test the deck, and then add optimized versions back in one by one. Now, if the rendering error happens specifically when you export to PowerPoint, there's another important thing to know. Gamma can flatten complex designs into static files during export, and that process can break if the deck has too many layered elements or complicated formatting. In other words, the issue may not be your browser at all, it may be the export format. If PowerPoint export freezes or fails, try bypassing that static export flattening by exporting to PDF instead. A PDF is often much more stable because it preserves the visual layout without forcing Gamma to convert everything into editable PowerPoint elements. If the PDF exports correctly, then you know the issue is tied to the PowerPoint conversion process and not the presentation itself. This is a really useful workaround because it helps you separate a true rendering error from an export limitation. If the deck opens fine inside Gamma, but only breaks during PPT export, then PDF is the safer path. You can always use the PDF as a fallback, or continue testing a simpler version of the deck before trying PowerPoint again. So to quickly recap the fixes. First, toggle hardware acceleration in your browser and restart it. Second, compress or replace oversized images and media files. Third, if the issue only happens during PowerPoint export, try exporting to PDF instead to avoid flattening problems. If you're still having trouble after that, go back and test the deck section by section. Remove recent additions, simplify any complex layouts, and see which element is triggering the rendering error. That's usually the fastest way to isolate the problem. I hope this helps you fix the Gamma app rendering error and get your presentation back on track. If it did, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick troubleshooting videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.